Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain about how to just open and close the file, and I don't want to handle any exception. See just how can we just throws all exceptions. Throws all exceptions. Nothing but how to avoid writing the catch block. That's all. Simple. How to avoid writing the catch blocks. Okay. See, so generally in all the previous videos, right, how I explained, if you want to If you want to open the file, just write the code inside the try block. Everything you need to specify in main. Suppose is a opening a text file using the file reader. Just wait. Clearly, let me write. Just in main, just file reader. I want to open a file in read mode. How to open the file? In a try block, creating object and assigning to the variable fr new file reader by specifying the path, of course. All these things we already completed in the last video in this series of videos. Okay, just follow one by one video, then you will understand clearly. If it is successfully opened, just giving that opened successfully. But in case any exception, normally we will write the catch block we are writing. But now the question is, we don't want to handle any exception, so no catch blocks. No catch blocks. Directly you can specify finally block. If file is open, just check. If that is not equals to null, file opened successfully, just close the file. fr.close. fr.close. system.out.println. File closed successfully. That is. But see here, chance of getting exception whenever you are opening the file. Chance of getting file not found exception. This is one exception you need to handle. Next, whenever you are closing the file, chance of getting another exception called IO exception. Right? I don't want to handle all these exceptions. Simply main throws. Throws one by one you can specify like this: file not found exception, file not found exception, comma, IO exception. Clearly, no sir, I don't want to write like this. Right? Simply throws exception. Just the parent class of all exceptions. I'm giving that throws exception. Simply you can specify like this. Anything your wish. Opening the file using the try block. Closing the file using finally block. If you want to handle exceptions in between, use the catch block. If you don't want to handle any exception, simply specify which exception occurs, throws that exception. Let me show you this clearly. Here, if you want to open the file, just file reader fr equals to null. Now I'm writing try block. I don't want to write the catch block. Directly I'm writing the finally block. In a try block, we are opening the file, new file reader. The path we are providing input.txt file open, just a message, system.out.println, file open, and in a finally block, If the file is opened is not equals to null, simply fr dot close. Just we simplified the program. File closed. File closed. Here I don't want to handle any exception. Suppose if you are not writing these throws, you will get errors like this. File not found exception. IO exception need to handle. One by one means what? Throws. File not found exception, comma, IO exception. You need to specify like this. File opened and closed. Or simply you can say that what is the parent class of all exceptions? Simply exception you can specify. File opened and file closed. Later you can perform read operations and write operations. Hope you understood the concept. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.